Electric pump.
We're going to go over WIC electric pump issuance. Whenever a WIC participant is issued a pump, they will fill out an evaluation form and discuss their situation with a WIC staff member. An electric pump, a personal use electric pump, is appropriate for a WIC participant who is working full-time and is fully breastfeeding, not using any formula. The pump bag is all in one. It has a strap to make it easily portable. The pieces for the pump kit are found in the compartment on top. These pieces here are the flanges. This is what will actually touch the mother's breast. It is a double kit, so she can pump both breasts at the same time. Her breast will rest comfortably here so that her nipple is inside the tube. It should not be rubbing against the sides. Each kit comes with 2 different sizes. She should use whichever one feels comfortable to her. And if neither one fits well, we do have other sizes available through WIC. The flange fits into the collar very nicely. The collection bottles, this pump comes with 4 collection bottles with caps stored in the insulated cooler compartment. It also has 3 cooler packs. Her milk can be stored in here throughout a workday. The collection bottle screws onto the pump here and unscrews when needed. There are also 2 yellow bottle stands so that when a mother is finished using the pump, she can set the bottle here without it tipping over and spilling the milk she has just collected. The other part of this pump that is very important is this yellow piece, which pulls off to detach and has a small white flap connected. The white flap removes just like that. The tab on the back of the flap fits into the small hole on the yellow piece. When they're reassembled, the flap should always be laying flat. It should not be warped, torn, or bubbled, or the pump will not work properly. That piece fits back onto the circle here, and again is covered by the collection bottle. We'll assemble both pieces. When the mother is ready to attach her kit to the pump, she needs the tubing. There are 2 tubes with this pump. One end is just clear. The other has a small circular plastic piece attached. That piece fits into the small hole on the back of her pump. The interface for the motor is found inside this compartment. Because this is an electric use pump, the pump does need to be plugged into the wall, and the cord plugs in right there. The tubing, the flat end of the tube, attaches to the 2 poles here. If a mom is using only one side, she takes the little yellow flap down below with the circle and plugs the post that is not in use so air does not run through the pump. When the pump has been assembled, whether a mother is single or double pumping, she's ready to turn the pump on. The on-off switch...
Can you just move that bottle so we can see that? Sorry, thanks.
The on-off switch is right here, and you can hear that the pump is operational. The suction level on the pump is adjusted with this knob from low to high. And this pump also has a function so that when a mother has reached her letdown, she can press this button and slow the speed of the pump. When a mother has finished pumping, she sets her bottle in the bottle stand and should remove the tube from the pump and allow it to run for an additional minute with only the tubes attached. This will prevent condensation from gathering in the tube. To disassemble, when she's finished, she can put everything back into the compartments on top and store her milk in the cooler compartment until she's ready to transport it home. to wash the pump pieces, all of the hard pieces, with the exception of the little white flap that touch her breasts and her milk, can go through a dishwasher or be washed in hot soapy water. The white flap should always be hand washed so that it is not damaged. There are extras that come with this pump, and more are available through WIC if needed. WIC recommends a 20-minute maximum for a pumping session, and if you have any questions, please see a WIC staff member.
Excellent.